into a drive-in theater before, and the experience was like stepping into a time capsule, whisking her away to a bygone era she'd only heard about in stories. When her friend Donna suggested they go on a Saturday night, Helen readily agreed, her curiosity piqued by the novelty of it all. As they pulled into the sprawling parking lot, the air was electric with anticipation. Rows upon rows of cars were already parked, their occupants eagerly awaiting the night's entertainment. The towering screen loomed ahead, its surface illuminated by the glow of the setting sun. "This is going to be so cool," Donna exclaimed, her excitement contagious as they settled into their car and tuned the speakers to the designated channel. The movie started, and Helen was immediately drawn into the magic of the silver screen. Crackling sound of the speakers, the scent of popcorn wafting through the air, and the hushed murmurs of fellow moviegoers created an atmosphere unlike any other. As the opening credits rolled, Helen found herself captivated by the unfolding story. She laughed at the comedic moments, gasped at the suspenseful scenes, and even found herself hiding behind her hands during the more frightening parts. Watching a horror movie from the safety of her own car was an exhilarating experience, one she never knew she was missing out on. But amidst the excitement and adrenaline, there was a subtle undercurrent of nostalgia tugging at Helen's heartstrings. She couldn't help but feel a pang of longing for simpler times, when drive-in theaters were the epitome of entertainment and a cherished pastime for families and friends alike. Lost in thought, Helen turned to Donna as the credits began to roll, a wistful smile playing at her lips. "You know, I never would have thought this would bring back memories," she mused, her voice soft with emotion. Donna nodded in understanding, her eyes reflecting the flickering light from the screen. "It's funny how certain experiences have a way of evoking nostalgia," she replied, her tone thoughtful. "Maybe it's a sign that we should embrace the past and bring back some of those old traditions. What do you say?" Helen's heart swelled with inspiration at Donna's words. Perhaps there was something to be said for reviving the traditions of yesteryear, for rediscovering the magic of simpler times in a world that seemed increasingly complex and impersonal. With a renewed sense of purpose, Helen and Donna made a silent vow to do just that. Whether it was through revitalizing drive-in theaters or creating new and innovative ways to bring people together, they were determined to recapture the spirit of community and camaraderie that had once thrived in those hallowed grounds. As they drove away from the theater, the echoes of the silver screen still ringing in their ears, Helen couldn't help but feel a sense of excitement for the future. Who knew what adventures awaited them on their quest to bring back the magic of drive-in theaters and create new memories for generations to come? One thing was for certain, they were ready to embark on this journey together, fueled by nostalgia and a shared vision of a brighter, more connected world.